So today I will tell you about the dangerous side effects of Lipizid tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdul Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Rafi Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Lipizid and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is atorvastatin. It's a 10 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Gatch Pharma. Basically here Lipizid active is atorvastatin. It's a lipid regulating agent and it belongs to statin class. This is a lipid regulating agent and it is used to treat and manage high bad cholesterol levels and levels of triglycerides in the blood. So basically it is used in the management of high cholesterol levels. Okay, it is used to treat hypercholesterolemia, mixed dyslipidemia, and it is also prescribed to the patients who are at the risk of getting cardiovascular diseases. So basically it's prescribed so that patient can be kept safe from the heart attack, stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. Okay, so it's a very good and effective medicine and it is used in the management of high cholesterol level. But this medicine also has side effects and dangerous side effects too. So today I'll discuss it. First I'll discuss common side effects. In common side effects, it can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, it can cause headache, it can cause myalgia, which is the muscle pain. I'll discuss it in detail. It is one of the serious side effects of it. It can also cause liver damaging. That's another dangerous side effect which I will discuss in detail. Okay, now let's go to its severe side effects or the serious side effects, in which it can cause myopathy, which is the damaging of the skeletal muscle, which is a very dangerous side effect because it affects the patient's muscles, in which muscles get damaged. It can also cause rhabdomyolysis, which is another severe disease of the muscles, in which there is an sudden and violently damage of the muscles. Okay, so it's an emergency condition and it greatly affects the patient. This rhabdomyolysis further can complicate the patient condition. It can cause electrolyte imbalance, which changes the body chemistry. It also causes cardiac arrhythmia, which is also a severe which is also a dangerous condition. It can also cause acute kidney injury. It can affect the kidney, so it may worsens the it worsens the condition. So rhabdomyolysis is a dangerous condition and emergency condition which it can cause. That's why it's a prescribed medicine, because it is only given on prescription due to this side effects. Okay, it affects the liver, in which it can cause jaundice. Okay, and other symptoms like severe stomach pain. These are the symptoms of liver damage. Okay, it can also cause allergic reactions. If you are allergic to this medicine, you should not use it, or if you are hypersensitive to this medicine, you should also not use it, because it's harmful, it's fatal for the patient. Okay, so the patient is allergic or hypersensitive to this medicine, she should not use it and avoid it. Okay, they should use other alternative medicines. It can also affect the patient's cognitive function, in which it can cause memory loss to the patient and confusion in the patient too. It can also cause joint pain, and it can also cause digestive issues too, like diarrhea, constipation, or stomach upset, flatulence. Okay, it also affects the sleep of the patient. So the patient is greatly affected. And one of the serious side effects that I've already told you, I would again highlight you that its severe side effect is rhabdomyolysis. That's a very severe condition or the serious side effect of this medicine, and myopathy too. Okay, so this is one of the dangerous side effects of this medicine. Okay, so now the question arises that if this medicine has so many side effects, then why the hell we are using this medicine? So the answer is very simple. As I've already told you, that it's a very good lipid regulating agent and its benefits outweigh its side effects. Its benefits are more as compared to its side effects. Okay, so that's why it's still in the market and is being used. Okay, but as I've already told you, it's a prescription medicine. Due to this side effect, that's why it's a prescription medicine. You just can't self-medicate yourself, or you can't just randomly just take it from the pharmacy and start using it. Okay, it's a sensitive medicine. Okay, so you have to use it properly. Even physician and pharmacist first analyzes the patient condition and then they prescribe you in a limited dose and with a calculated duration of treatment, okay, with a calculated dose, with a calculated duration of treatment, in which they keep following up you, okay, and or told you to follow up. Always consult your physician and pharmacist before using these kind of medicine, because these are medicine, not food. This medicine can greatly affect you, okay, if you use it wrongly, if you do not use it properly, okay. Just one mistake or wrong decision and it can greatly affect your body, and it can be harmful to the patient, okay. So always consult your physician and pharmacist. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share my video too. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.